Our 3D crystal candle comes in two sizes, the small crystal candle and the large crystal urn. Both sizes include replaceable tea light candles. Our large crystal candle urn provides the additional option of sealing the ashes in place of one or both of the candle cavities, should you desire. They have gorgeous shiny bezels along the perimeter and come packaged in premium gift boxes. They even have a protective sleeve to keep your purchase in mint condition. Thanks to our dad's software called Cockpit 3D, the images we etch inside the crystal are 60% denser and produce super clear HD results. Here's a crystal made by a competitor, and here's ours in high definition. So real, so awesome. Your 3D crystal is brought to life with bright LED light bases. We offer a rotating base and a premium stationary black wooden illumination stand. The bright light makes the image pop and come to life. Biomagic by Original.